Got a Samsung front loader, and the issue was I had a power spike on it, like the power cut off, and just want to show you in case the door ever gets stuck and you can't open it because it's a power failure. I just want to make a quick little video. It ain't even gonna take long, but what you want to do is unloosen these two screws, which I already did. And pretty much slide the top back. Sorry about the light, but I'm working in the dark again. But if you can see, let me see if it will zoom in. You can see all the way to the bottom that door switch. I don't know if you can really see that. I'm gonna take my phone down. It's on the bottom. Oh man. See that down there? It's Ron, and it's below it's on the bottom of the door switch. And you want to do is you want to grab it and pull down, and as you pull down, you want to open your door. Let me see if I can get my hand down there and press the phone. Yeah, you see it right there. Let's see if I can get my hand down there while I do this. I think I'm good. Show you. I'm not gonna be able to put my hand down there and have the phone. But yeah, you grab that little piece, a little round piece that's sticking. Wow, never had to make a video when I dropped my phone in there, but I had to take this back part out, and the phone was pretty much laying right there. But anyway, getting back to the main topic. You can see I can't put my hand and hold the phone, but if you see that white, it's like a round knob. You pull down on it. And when you pull down, you want to open while you're pulling it. Yeah. Which is the way I can show you a close angle.